craziest part of this stuff behind me that's happening is this is the outskirts of maybe a category 1, 2 at the most is happening in Central Florida, so we're probably getting like 1 wind. So, you know, count the blessings. Thanks for all the prayers and thoughts and good, you know, good vibes. Doing pretty good. Still got power, like I said. That's amazing. I'm going to go back inside before I blow away and enjoy the AC while I can. Hopefully that's done. Here comes another gust. Alright, anyway, hopefully the power surge is done and our power remains on. Definitely some strong stuff happening. I'll get back inside. Alright guys, we'll see you in a few. Guys, so the extent of the damage looks to be tree branches, big ones, and some benches knocked down, palm trees knocked down. I'm gonna get out of this rain. It's still like a lot of rain happening right now. All right, good morning guys. It is 7:36 a.m. The storm is well north of us. The eye of the storm is the eye of the storm is probably about 100 miles north of us right now, whatever's left of the eye. We got off pretty easy. Looks like just branches down. I'm gonna just do a quick drive around the neighborhood and just see what the damage is. All right, so my neighbor Paul wants to go for a ride, so let's take him for a ride.
Okay, great.
Yeah, come on in.
Hey Tim, you okay? Yeah, we lucked out too. We're okay. Yeah.
That was a the whole soil just kind of ripped off.
This way, right?
Yeah, they looked out on that house. Wow, it's a big one. That's a big one. Wow, look at that. That's crazy.
We've been here 40 years, and we've been through a bunch of them. Oh, there's another tree over there. And we've been through a bunch of them, and thank God we've been lucky.
Oh, here's a big one.
I hate this one.
Wow. Right here? Wow. Went right through the fence. Oh, look at this tree down right here on the left. Oh, wow. There you go.
See, this one cost them 10 grand because you got that hurricane.
Yeah.
So you lose that.
Wow. That's
I hope everything's okay over here because this is the one that usually got hit.
Oh wow, here we go.
Yeah, that's see, that's what
Oh wow. Look to the right.
Huh?
Look to the right.
Oh man. So she lucked out. The one across the street though, didn't
Yeah, it went straight in. Oh wow, look ahead. This one's down right here. Went straight across.
When you gotta come down, just
wow. Maybe we got Cat 1 winds, you know, last night. You know, can you imagine if we got the direct hit of the 4 or 5?
Forget it.
Jeez. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, the whole sidewalk came up. Oh no, jeez. No, doesn't look like it. The very top of it just nicked the front yard. Yeah, we came from the other side. There's another one down here.
Yeah.
Did you get out at all?
You can walk out, yeah.
You drive out? Is all this road?
You can drive out this way.
Way.
This way, behind me, you can come out. looks like the main part of the trunk didn't land, so that's good. But still, those little things are heavy. If you ever cut those down, pick those up, those are 700 pounds. Crazy. I think it's on their property because the driveway's right between that tree and there.
They got a problem. That's their responsibility. You know, you want the trees, the city wants you to have them, and they're tough on giving you a permit to cut them down, too.
Yeah, yeah.
They are. I know we went through hell with ours. I'll catch you later. If
all right,
you need anything, just give it a yell.
You too,
okay?
Paul.
Thanks, sir.
Yep. All right, guys, so that's the extent of the damage around here, around our neighborhood. A few trees down, looks like a couple in the houses, but relatively okay the neighborhood is. I'm sure there's worse around the county, around the area, Tampa Bay area, and further south. Middle of the state, Polk County, Lakeland, Sebring, Orlando. They got the worst of it from what the radar showed last night with the eye and the outer western bands hitting that area. Those are big trees that came down, and it's unfortunate for those homeowners, but yeah, if a category 4 or 5 hit us direct like we thought yesterday morning, man, I'd say we got off pretty good. So thanks for all the well wishes. Mama's still doing good. She's giving me the shaking of head no. Mommy's good, baby's good, in-laws good. My dad texted me like at 5 this morning. They're good. In-laws, her dad and her stepmom are good. So it looks like we got off pretty easy. So I'm gonna go back inside, have some breakfast, maybe go back to sleep for a little bit. Didn't sleep much last night. But thanks everyone for the prayers and thoughts. Really, it means a lot to me. Snapchat, let me just show you guys this. So Snapchat, there's 194 notifications, and you know, when I had time, I looked at a few of them, and they're all well wishes. So I'll go through them today. I appreciate Team Snap. You guys are awesome. And then obviously everyone on YouTube that comments, prayers and thoughts. Like I said, we appreciate it. It looks like those thoughts and prayers were answered for us at least, and you know, we're grateful for that. So we got 4.5 more weeks till baby Jackson's due, so got some exciting times ahead of us, and these vlogs I think will transition into some of that. I'll keep you guys updated. Probably want to have a day by day and an hour by hour update from the hospital, but you never know. That's going to be a whole nother storm to weather, but really excited about that and really want to bring you guys along. So the motovlogs will continue, and some of these life vlogs will continue as you know that aspects of our lives change. But thanks again for all the support, guys. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.